Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super practical editing trick that will instantly make your videos look more professional and polished. We're talking about the magic of B-roll and how to use it to hide those awkward cuts and mistakes. So what exactly is an awkward cut? You know the feeling. You're recording. You stumble over your words. You forget what you were going to say, or maybe you just need to cut out a long, boring pause. When you slice those bits out in your editing software, you're often left with a jump cut. That jarring little skip where your head or body suddenly snaps to a new position. It can feel really unnatural and pull your viewers right out of the experience. Here, let me show you. I'm going to intentionally mess up a line right now. The most important thing about Wait, what was I saying? Oh yeah. The most important thing about filming is good lighting. Now, if I just cut out that mistake, it looks like this. See that? It's clunky and distracting. It screams, "I made a mistake here," to your audience. While jump cuts can sometimes be used as a stylistic choice, most of the time, we want our edits to be seamless and invisible. This is where B-roll comes in to save the day. B-roll is simply supplemental footage that you layer on top of your main video track, which is called the A-roll. Your A-roll is you talking to the camera. Your B-roll can be anything that's relevant to what you're talking about. It could be a close-up shot of a product, a screen recording of a website, slow-motion footage of a landscape, or even just a different camera angle of you. The technique is incredibly simple. When you have a jump cut in your A-roll, you just place a B-roll clip directly over that cut on the timeline above. The audio from your A-roll continues to play underneath, but visually, the audience is now looking at the B-roll footage. By the time the B-roll clip ends and the video cuts back to you, you're in your new position, and the transition feels completely smooth and intentional. The jump has vanished. Let's fix that messy cut from earlier. I'll take a nice shot of my camera lens, or maybe some footage of my editing timeline, and place it right over that awkward jump. The most important thing about filming is good lighting. See the difference? It's night and day. The audio flows perfectly, and the visual cut to the B-roll actually adds context and visual interest. It makes the video more dynamic and engaging, turning a mistake into a professional-looking edit. You can use this for anything. Need to cut out a sneeze? Cover it with B-roll. Want to remove a long or a B-roll? Did a car horn go off outside? You can't fix the audio, but you can distract from it visually with a well-placed B-roll clip. This technique gives you so much freedom when you're filming because you know you don't have to get a perfect one-take performance. You can relax knowing you can easily clean it all up in post-production. So next time you're out filming, remember to capture plenty of B-roll. Get different angles, close-ups, and shots of your environment. Having a library of B-roll ready to go will make your editing process faster and the final product so much better. It's the secret weapon for covering those little imperfections and elevating your content to the next level. That's all for today's tip. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.